Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making homemade mayonnaise with only 2 pieces of equipment, a bowl and a fork. No immersion blender needed. There are many reasons that you might want to make your own mayonnaise. My reason is that I am in control of all the ingredients. You might have run across some videos, probably quite a few, where they all use an immersion blender. But I want to show you today that that's absolutely not necessary. It's very simple. We're going to use a bowl and a fork and some simple ingredients, and you're going to make wonderful, thick, creamy mayonnaise. A quick note on the oil. When you're making your mayonnaise at home, you want the cleanest ingredients that you can possibly find to make it with. This is why I choose the avocado oil. It's the most neutral in flavor, but I also am avoiding those heat processed seed oils that you see on the grocery store shelf that are so unhealthy for you. Okay, let's get started. So the follow-up video to this is going to be making your own ranch dressing, and we're going to use this wonderful mayonnaise that we made today to make that ranch dressing. And if you've never done this, if you've never taken your own homemade mayonnaise and made your own ranch dressing, it is unbelievable the taste difference, and you're going to be pleasantly surprised, I think. So if you make your own mayonnaise, I would love for you to drop any tips or tricks that you have in the comments below. And if you found value in this video, please give us a thumbs up. And also, I invite you to subscribe. And of course, you know I want to remind you that your Heavenly Father loves you. And we'll see you on the next video. God bless.